saw that yesterday. All right, guys, so here's the new truck. This one's probably gonna be kind of a long-term build. It is a 1993 Chevy 1500 manual, 5-speed, 4-wheel drive. It's got a pretty good interior, vinyl floors. This side door panel looks really good. The other side is kind of trash, but headliner also kind of bad, but overall a really good looking truck, even has the factory radio. Truck has 166,000 original miles. It's been sitting for probably about 10 years nearly, but previous owner said he worked on it some and it did still crank over. However, we still got to do a lot of work. The gas tank is rusted out, which we have a new one already. My buddy came over and we got the fuel pump and a new tank right here. So that's about to go on as we speak. It also needs a battery and it needs fuel filter and a little other odds and ends. But overall, it's a very solid truck. The biggest issue, as you might be able to tell, is the door. At some point, it was replaced for whatever reason, and they used a champagne color door to kind of use a terrible paint to go over it. And the glass is busted, so we are on a massive hunt to find it. It is missing a kick panel down here and the fuse box cover, unfortunately, but maybe we can find some of that stuff behind the seat. But there is the mileage right there, if you guys can see. We're looking for a new door panel as well, or maybe just the piece that goes here, and we should be good to go. Doors don't shut very good, but it's a very straight body, just a couple of dings. Tailgate works. The bed floor is in great shape. We got a lot of junk back here that we have to dispose of here soon. But all in all, I'm ready to get this thing on the road with some new stock wheels, because don't like what we got going on here, but hopefully we can find some wheels just like my buddy's. He's got some saw blades. Maybe we can trade these wheels for him, and I bet he'd do it. So we'll see. So this truck is not getting cleaned today, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys how nasty this thing is. I don't even want to sit in it, but we've got some work to do with the window, all that. So once we take care of that, we are going to clean the heck out of this truck. All right, guys, so I know this video has been extremely all over the place, and this clip right here is actually a couple weeks later. We absolutely need new tires because these are just totally shot, totally dry rotted, but the truck is coming together decently well. We have new headlights coming. We have obviously a new door. I didn't film that because that was a total pain doing this where I'm located, but it, you know, it looks better. So we don't have this junk champagne spray painted red door. We got to pull the mirror off and slap that on there. But yeah, other than that, the truck is really coming together. We have a lot of crap coming for it, so stay tuned. If you guys like Chevy content and want to see more, we're gonna redo the interior on this thing, put some saw blades on it, and it's gonna look really good. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.